What's going on, everybody? This is Mark here, and have you ever wondered, while you're editing a video, how to make a song any length you want a lot easier? Because you may have done something similar to chopping up the song in a certain spot and trying to cross dissolve or blend it with another area of the song, and then you continue that process for a while. But what if there was an easier way? And if you have not found anyone else's video on the internet and found mine, here is how you do it. Because after you have your file, first you need to, I'm assuming if you're using Premiere, because this is a Premiere tutorial, you have Creative Cloud, and don't judge me on my amount of updates I have to do, but you should download Adobe Audition, because this is going to be done in Adobe Audition. And don't freak out, it's very easy. It's not hard to navigate if you have not done anything in Audition before. So after you have Audition downloaded, you're going to open it up, and it will look something like this. Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to hit multi-track, right? I'm just going to name it mix, and we're going to create a new multi-track session, and we're going to just place it in a place that does not matter right now. I'm just going to save it to my desktop to make this quick, but I'm going to save it. Okay. So now I have a crazy menu like this. Now, if you're not an audio engineer, do not worry. We do not have to do any crazy stuff right now, but all we have to do is find our file. So I'm just going to pull in some random song that I downloaded for the last YouTube video I did, and I'm just going to navigate here, just go to the song audio, and my song is right here, right? This is my waveform I downloaded. So I can either drag this in here just like Premiere, or I'm just going to just skip that spot, skip that part, and just drag it right into the track. So now if you think about it, we're doing a multi-track session in audio, so you can place multiple audio files, down in track 6, 7, 8, 9, but we're not going to worry about that right now. Just so we can see everything, we're going to grab that and pull it to the side, and we have something like this. Now, if you look to your left, and if you don't have properties, you're going to go to Window and you're going to find Properties, right? But usually it's open by default. So we go to Properties, have our track selected, right? So we're going to select our track, and we're going to enable Remix. And if you can see here, now it's going to spool and basically read the entire file. Our original file length is 332.777, so 3 minutes 32 seconds and 777 milliseconds, right? So obviously that's out of 1,000. But so now what we have to do is say I want this song to be 10-20 minutes long, right? So let's do 10 minutes. So all you have to do is type 10, and I'm just going to fix the numbers here to 00, just like that. And now if we click the song, it is 9 minutes and 52 seconds long. So it is not exactly perfect. It really depends on the waveform of the song. You can see here now we have a 10-minute song, right? And if we zoom in, you can hold down Alt, and up here, if you put your cursor up here, you can zoom in. You could see these little zigzags. It's kind of hard to see, but right here there's a zigzag, and that's where they blended the song automatically. So if we listen to that, what we get here, let me just lower this so I don't pick it up on my computer. Right, didn't really hear any type of mistake there, and that is the beauty of this. So now when you want how to get that song into your Premiere file, you're gonna just click it. You don't even have to click it. I just like to, just satisfies my paranoia. I go to File, Export, Multi-Track Mixdown, Entire Session. In this case, we only have one session. If you wanted to do selected clips like I just did, you can, but we have one song, entire session. And you're just going to name your file just like this, mix. I'm just going to name it Mixdown. I don't want to overwrite my file actually, so I'm just going to name it Mixdown 2 in this case, and just leave it as the waveform audio. And we're just going to hit OK, right? It's going to spool, save. That's fine. So now we can import that into our file, Mixdown 2. And there you have it. Now we have a 10-minute song from a 3-minute and 30-second song right here. So that is very easy and a simple process, guys. I hope this saves some time for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.